Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be showcasing the ANNKE FCD600 Dual-Lens. When it comes to home security, you can't cut corners. That's why we've got our eyes on the ANNKE FCD600 Dual-Lens. In this video, we're leaving no stone unturned, exploring all its functions and features from its top-notch resolution to its advanced security capabilities. Let's jump right into it. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. Let's kick things off by taking a look at what's inside the box. Naturally, you'll find the security camera itself, a security sticker to let potential intruders know you mean business, a pull extension cable for those tricky installation spots, a detailed instruction manual to guide you through setup and usage, an Ethernet cable protector to keep your connection secure, a well bracket for easy mounting, and all the essential fixing required to get that camera securely in place. Next, let's take a look at the ANNKE's design. The ANNKE's overall design is pretty sleek, while giving it a modern yet minimalist appearance. Its exterior is also made out of plastic, which might not be favorable for some. However, given its affordable price point, this isn't that big of a trade-off. The security camera offers a wide 180-degree field of view thanks to its two separate lenses, ensuring that you won't miss any details. On the base of the unit, you'll see a number of power input options such as PO, alarm, audio, and power adapters. Moving right along, let's dive into the hardware specifications of the FCD600. In terms of video clarity, this camera really stands out. It boasts an impressive 6-megapixel Ultra HD resolution, supporting output resolutions of up to 3632 by 1632 pixels. Plus, it's equipped with an intelligent WDR function, which comes in handy when dealing with intense light conditions that could otherwise impact image quality. The result? No more worrying about unclear phases or fuzzy images. On top of that, this camera supports dual stream output, delivering a smooth 20 frames per second at its highest resolution. To help conserve storage space, it uses a 265 compression method while still maintaining excellent image quality. For some perspective, this can save you up to 80% of storage space compared to other methods. Our team would also like to highlight its adaptability. You've got multiple recording options to choose from, including micro SD cards with a capacity of up to 256 gigabytes, NAS, also known as Network Attached Storage, and NVR, also known as Network Video Recorder. And when it comes to installation, it's a breeze. The camera features a robust bracket for reliable performance. And let's not forget about durability. The security camera is built to handle the elements, boasting an IP66 weather-resistant rating. This means it can take on heavy rain without skipping a beat. Up next, when it comes to security features, the ANNKE FCD600 pulls out all the stops. The 95 decibel alarm warns the user of any unwanted guests, while also offering ambient noise cancellation, built-in spotlights, and infrared sensors that deliver full-color night vision. This allows the nighttime footage to be as vibrant as the daytime images. It also offers two-way audio, which also allows you to communicate with anyone nearby, adding a level of convenience and security. This enables you to take action and respond to or address situations in real time despite being away from home. And that's not all, though. The ANNKE also features advanced AI motion detection that can accurately detect fecal and human motion so that you can receive real-time alerts on your device. Plus, customizable detection zones allow you to set up a line or zone where it triggers the camera's built-in siren in order to ward off any unwanted guests. Now let's talk about ANNKE's mobile app called Ankke Vision. From the mobile app, you'll be able to access your security camera's live feed, receive notification alerts, and customize settings. You can also monitor your area remotely as long as you have a stable internet connection. Aside from the mobile app, ANNKE also provides desktop software, allowing you to access your camera's feed and manage your settings from a PC or laptop. What's great about the desktop software is that it offers you a more comprehensive view and control, allowing you to set parameters, review footage, and configure advanced features. For added versatility, the manufacturer even made this compatible with regular browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Safari, and more. In a nutshell, the ANNKE FCD600 Dual-Lens security camera is loaded with features and delivers impressive performance. Its remarkable 180-degree field of view makes it an excellent choice for both home security and business premises monitoring. offering not only reliability but also peace of mind. This camera is perfect for those looking to enhance their surveillance setup or for individuals looking for an entry-level model that provides exceptional value for money. In the team's unanimous opinion, this camera is a wise investment, offering an excellent balance of price, quality, and performance. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the ANNKE FCD600 Dual-Lens. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShopGuy.com again soon.